Simon, son of John, do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me more than this? Simon, son of John, do you love me more than this? Feel take care of my sheep. Run to me. Run to me. Run to me. Feed my sheep. Run to me. Run to me. Run to me. Simon Peter, feed my lamb. Take care of my sheep. Feed my sheep. Run to me. Run to me. Run to me. For all those people who have jobs that are rare and explicit, and fornication is just around the corner, they can come back to God if they choose, because our God will chase them all and be merciful to all of them. Even people are prostitutes, even people have indecent work, and they have gambling all over their life, and they cheated so many people. Just always look at the brighter side, that our Lord Jesus Christ will always chase them and do all that it takes to bring them back. This is just a tug of war. Some people, they're good, some of them went to the bad side, and some bad side went to the good side. But life isn't over yet, so there's plenty of time. We have to choose whether what side we are, and always remember that we need to run to our God. Run always, because we need Him, and He has these open arms, wide open arms, longing for us, loving us dearly, and being merciful to whatever it takes, just to let ourselves be convinced that we are on His side and His side is with us. Never confuse ourselves with that. Always remember that. God bless you.